Hello everyone. So firstly, a big thanks to Mithun sir who has made this lockdown month so much productive for us. Otherwise, we could have wasted it by sleeping all day, waking up all night, watching Netflix and all of those things which would have wasted our time. But he worked on us for our betterment, and it has been kind of a personality development course which was free of cost, or rather you can say you were getting paid also for that. So yeah, a big thanks to him. And from all of the exercise which we have done the entire month, we have learned so much about a lot of things, and now we have become more confident in terms of speaking, more fluent, and we have improved our storytelling capabilities, and our vocabulary has also improved, and so much knowledge we have gained about different brands, about different products and businesses, about top leaders, and all of those. And frankly speaking, I don't know how this month has passed. It went like so. Yeah, a big thanks to him. Uh, so now I'll revisit all the topics which we have done the entire month, starting from the day one when we got to know the interesting facts about each other. We got to know about our weaknesses, and we like how to overcome, like how what we will do basically to overcome those weaknesses, and our strengths, what demotivates us, and how we will get rid of our demotivation, and what we are going to do differently if we become the CEO, okay, of the company. Who would have thought to, like, I wouldn't have thought to, if I become a CEO, so what differently I can do for the company. So he gave us a chance, he gave us a thought to think about it. And the after effects of COVID, what are the positive sides of COVID and how it will affect our business. And we got to learn so much about our top leaders in the industry, such as Mithun Chakrabarti, uh, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Nawazuddin, and all of those top leaders and top personalities in the world. And what we learn from their lives and their struggles and their experiences. So and we also learned about our business, like the EBIT, the devaluation, and how compound interest will affect our life if we imply it productively. Because I've seen the compound interest theory, which I've applied for myself in waking up. So yeah, uh, now I'm waking up 7 a.m. in the morning. Uh, but I sleep also early, somewhere around 12. I wake up at 7, do some like stretching and all. And if I get time, I sleep again for 1 or 2 hours for now. But when the lockdown gets over, I'll start the exercise because I know gyms are not going to open soon. So I'll be going to the parks to run a bit. So I have made my habit of doing that. And uh, we also got to know like how to deal with negativity. We also got to know how to what is our style of leadership, and we how to build rapport with the customers, and what are the different ways of building rapport with the customers. Because after watching each other's videos, and like how Somesh makes the rapport with the customer, how Vikram makes rapport with the customers, so and how he deals with negativity. So all of those, after watching each other's videos, we got to learn so many things. Because everyone is not perfect in everything. Okay, everyone has the upper hand in something or the other. So we got to learn so much about each other and so much from each other. And we got to know what are our buttons, which makes us stress free, and which and keeps us motivated. And now coming to the case studies. So we have done so many case studies, such as Indigo success. Yeah, we all knew that Indigo is a success, but we didn't give a thought that why it is success. Okay, and why other like airlines have failed, and uh, what strategies Indigo has like applied to uh, make its business so successful, and how MG Motors entered the Indian market and got successful. Okay, about BBK Electronics. Okay, because some of us were also not knowing that Oppo, OnePlus, and Realme and Vivo all comes in the same company. Okay, so yeah, I was knowing that Oppo and Realme, or not Oppo and Vivo, are of the same company, but I didn't know about the Realme and OnePlus. Okay, so this improved our knowledge also, and why Nokia failed. What was the reason of Nokia's? Because we all knew that Nokia failed because it didn't go to Android. But the actual reason behind its failure, that why it didn't go to Android, and who was the reason behind its failure. So we got to we went so deep about these case studies, that now we also got to learn so many things, that if we plan our business, if we plan to do our own business, so what are the strategies we have to apply, and what are the things which we have to take care and be careful of, different things which happen to different industries and all of that, and how Ola makes money, about Zoom, which is so much in hype these days because of this coronavirus pandemic, and about the WeWork company. I didn't know about WeWork, what is WeWork and how WeWork works. So I have seen buildings of WeWork in Gurgaon, but never gave a thought that which company it is, or but yeah, and now I know about WeWork also, that it is a office leasing company, basically the uh, office spaces leasing company, and now and we have done now, and the interesting thing starts when uh, we start watching movies and start to gain learnings out of them. Like firstly, Bhag Milka Bhag, all his struggle and all the humiliation he faced, and his desires, and how he has become successful because of his determination. Okay, learnings from Wake Up Sid. Okay, and Kung Fu Panda. Okay, despite being so fat, but his will to become a kung fu fighter. So yeah, willpower is something that we all need to have, and the determination. And lastly, the secret. Okay, so yeah, so because after watching the secret, it was all of the things that we learned, like starting from setting up the goals for ourselves, and like knowing, and like basically uh, assuming that we have achieved our goals, and imagining the perks out of it, and living the moment for now, and how to get rid of our demotivation, how to build strong willpower. So we have done all of these from these exercise, which Mithun sir has asked to do us. So yeah, these were all my key takeaways. I'm not, I'm sure I'm not able to recall many of the topics also, like I am recalling wines, AV, like electric vehicles, and scotches, cocktails. So I'm sorry for that. But yeah, these were my key takeaways, my top, which are there in my mind, and will be there lifetime. So thanks a lot. Thank you.